Hello everyone, my name is Amarpreet and I work as a teacher, as a content creator, freelancer, and I also work in mental and emotional health sector. Today I'm here to share with you the book which I'm reading, the small review of the book, and also I'm sharing this with the hope that how this book has helped me. If anybody is in the same need, this book might help them as well. So with that hope, I'm just sharing this book detail. So the name of the book is The Let Them Theory, which is by Mel Robbins. So this book is all about, like sometimes we develop this habit of people pleasing, where we please people at the cost of our own emotions, where we miss creating boundaries, where we don't know how to create boundaries, where we start taking responsibility for others' emotions, where we start taking responsibility for making other people happy. The only agenda in our head is to avoid conflict and to people please, so that they don't go away, they don't leave us alone, and all these kind of things. So where in this, what we fall back is validating our own emotion and our own happiness, our own self-worth. So we miss all these things because the only thing which we want is to people please and not create boundary and let people cross our boundaries, and it in return hamper us emotionally, mentally, physically, everywhere. So this book is just wonder for those kind of people who are into people pleasing and who want to create boundaries but don't know how to create them. So just try this book. Here in this book you will get lots of strategies where you will get control of your own emotions. There will be lot of things, lot of the plans and lot of the tools and techniques which the author Mel Robbins guide you to how to create boundaries and how to how to be emotionally independent with your emotion and how to not take responsibility of others' emotion. So do try this book. This book has really helped me a lot. So if anybody is looking for the same, do try this book. And also don't miss these quite two things which I always carry. So this is one magnetic bookmark, which is very helpful. It don't fall off and it is really good and it is really important and productive. And also I always carry this this marker. This is the color which I have chosen is pink. So there are lots of important thoughts or lines which you do want to come again and visit those thoughts and lines, so you can mark them with that marker. So do keep these two things when you are reading the book, that is the bookmark and the marker, which are your tools to get more productivity from the book. So that was for today. Do follow for more such updates. Thank you so much.